Guys, it's back opening day. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Back opening day. I'm back. अमीरो मत करो ना. उसमें क्या है? ओके. अक्का साथ खेलो तुम. अक्का. Let's do this. Turn it down. Today is week 4 of the festive fixtures. So, let's do this. And okay, so I'm 116 currently. Let's go to the store and open a tree cake. Oh, it's trash. Trash, poor trash. Let's just skip it. Yes, trash puddle. Just open the 7,500. I don't know what I will get. It's probably someone decent like a 112. Let's skip it. Yeah, one. Oh, Foden! Nice! I think I could reach a higher OVR if I just do this. Team editing 451. No, I want CDM. Come on, well, yeah, this formation. Foden comes in here and add Van study here. I have to rank him. I have to train Foden though. Me to move Bale. Oh, I need Bale probably. God, so now Bale will go there. Foden comes here. Let me train this card. 16 training. I wish I had rank of points. Oh no! I need to get rank of points. I need it. Quests. Go here. 2000 gems. Wait, we can probably get more gems. Go to play. Let's get this. Ooh. How did my wallpaper just show out of nowhere? Bring it out. $3,833. Open this. Trash. So 110. Oh, 108 bro. Way worse. Let me just try auto building. Don't need this, don't need this. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Why is it that I reach 116 without Van Study? He's a freaking 114. Or it's just he's not ranked up. I have to train Foden more. You know what? Let's just take Van Study out of the team. Bale. It's okay. Let me just exchange Foden and two strikers. Bro, where is that set? Bro, where's the formation? 4-3-3. Two strikers. No, no. Yeah, this formation. So I'll exchange Foden. Bro, but I don't know what to do. I really want this because it's one. Let me see if there's a 114 plus exchange. Go to exchanges. Player exchange. 111 plus forward. 113. I could put Van Study. Let's do it. Let's do the 112. I have to change the formation. Where's the 4-3? No, I forgot. 4-3-3 attack. Where is this? I think so. No, I need the CDM. This Bale. Let me just train and transfer. Research. Training, transfer. Bale. Calm. Now we have to do it to Bale. Okay, Roy Keane is 140. Let's go exchange them for 112. Ooh. Wait, it might be someone good. England. Goalkeeper. Newcastle. Oh wow, such a good player, guys. I don't care. I don't need this, bro. Who wants this trash when they have gone? And we already back this. Let's just skip it. Wharton again. Wow.
Amira!
Clutcher तोड़ दिया. Let's go to our login rewards. and just claim this Eric Cantona. No crazy packs today, guys, sadly. Let's just go to the league. Thought I had some rewards, but no. I got whatever this is. Wait, guys, I don't know how much league tokens I have. Let's go to store. Exchanges. League exchanges. We have 9,000. I have no idea what to do. What should I do, guys? Tell me. What should I do? Okay, so I need league tokens right now. So should I join a new league or something? Wait, I had all of this. Please have like 1k. Let's go. Let's go, bro. I got backup, guys. Exchanges. These exchanges. 10k. Let's do this. Oh, we already packed it. It's trash. My god, bro, why does it always. This pack is not worth it. I still do it every time. So now, let's go to our exchanges. Extra time. Bye bye. Wait, these tradable. These guys are going because they're a disappointment. Can't I will go anywhere? I need my money. 176 million. I'm so rich. Let's go to the extra town. This is probably the last thing I do before ending the video. Daily picks. Or I could do this star scout. So we have 6k. Let's do the badge pick first. No. Now I need players. Oh, chill, man. Why did I say oh, because it's just trash. I need players now. It's because I can't open the 5k then. Man, no way. I'm taking this. Don't care. Don't care. And we'll just see how much we get in total. Okay, this is our last one. Please. Okay. Let's just exchange the players. I think I only took one player. Yeah, Chilwell. Well, he's going in again. I don't need him. Bye. Got 2,000. To the Star Scout, guys. Star Scout. Let's do this. Free reveal. Skipping defense. Someone in the defense. मुझे पता है कब टूटा या तो उसने फेंका था ज़ारा को पता है we're gonna skip it again untradable क्या ज़ारा को पता है इसके बारे में yes oh man skip 110 will refresh who wants a 110 bro Untradeable as usual. My friend got tradable, but it was just 110, so he refreshed. Festive fixtures. Ooh, I'm interested. 111 to 113. These are the 113s I could get. Probably just 111. Defense, all in the defense. There are only three 113 defense people from Serbia. It's just Milenkovic. Festive fixtures. Untradeable. Why is it giving me the most useless ones? So 110. Let's do this. Please give me something good. Dude. Boom. Look, watch. Midfield. Ooh, got a position, bro. Let's go. This unreadable, of course. I just spent 200 for no reason. Or 100. I don't know. Icon. It's an icon, guys. It's a Ballon d'Or icon. 111 to 113. Ooh. What I say? Ooh, bro. Ooh. Ah, ah. Who could it be? Who could it be? Man, there's nothing new. Let's check the live event. Go to the challenge mode. Nope, there's no frost something. I'm excited for the next event starting, but let's see if my friends OVR increased or something. Ooh, 114. What did this guy back? I think he just ranked his players, that's it. Okay. It could be Spettit or Sukur or Rijkaard or Grimaldiol or Loris or Nidia or Andrel Herrera. But that's a trash team. Los Blanco. Why am I checking the history? This is his team as his best player being Exaha Saha. I have the best team currently in my class. Woohoo! So popular. We can open a 1500 soon enough. Let's not make that soon enough and just do it now. Guys, please, 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 please. Please, do I have nothing in the activities, please? Please. Oh, watch one ad, watch one ad. Assist for 9 goals in any mode. I'm just gonna play a quick division rivals. Okay, guys. And I'm gonna assist someone. Let me just. That's a W team. No. But my team is also W. I have to assist, that's why I'm just doing some trash. Booyah, done. Oh no. Oh no. How trash was that, guys? Hey, hey, hey. How did that miss? Ian Rush assisted. Pass. Another assist. Wait, guys, it's free kick. I love free kicks. And I didn't score. Pass. Bro, this guy's using a Danjuma and I'm losing. No, bro, his Danjuma scored against my Olivier Kahn, bro. What is he doing? Probably just Olivier Kahn wasting time and is missing everything because the other team paid money. It's okay, I don't care if I lost. 6-7. Let's get our gems. We have to watch a quick ad also, guys, to get 300 gems. So 60, then I claim the prize, then it becomes 300. So please just handle the ad, please. I don't know how to cut the videos. It's embarrassing. This ad is stupidly long, guys. This ad is literal repetitive, bro. Look how long it is. Look at the green bar beneath. I'm really skipping this, guys.
Amira कहते जा रही है इसका पैम्पू बहुत small है इसलिए
Oh my god! How long is this stupid ad? Oh, shut up. Yeah, this is literally what you're promoting. Freaking TikTok. I'm gonna sue this ad, bro. How long is it? And it's a literal repeating, bro. Like, who wants to watch this? It's literally a repeating ad. If you like me, please play a can. No one's about to do that. No one likes it. Don't like it. Oh no. Oh no. Stupid ad. So freaking dumb ass. Stupid ad. So freaking bad. TikTok, that's the longest ad on earth, bro. I literally was here for like 2 minutes. Freaking stupid, bro. We can wait a minute. What did I just see? Trash. I just saw trash. He leveled up a little. Okay, so now we can open the 1500 and end the video and do whatever peacefully. Let's do this. the most wonderful. We got Ladrup and a Noor. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, share, subscribe, bye. And first of all, let's see how much money we get at the end. I'm at 176 mil, and now we get 25 mil. 200 mil. Okay guys, please subscribe, bye.